What if you could see what your customers want next, before they even know it themselves? That's predictive marketing with AI, and it's how brands are staying ahead in 2026. Most marketers still wait for results to drop before they react, boosting posts, guessing what went wrong, or saying, let's just post more. Sound familiar? Predictive AI spots the signs early, like when someone's about to stop engaging or when they're ready to buy. It helps you act before the moment's gone. Think of Netflix recommending your next series before you even finish the one you're watching. That's predictive AI in action. It's not about flooding people with ads. It's about relevance. The right message at the right moment to the right person. And the payoff? Clearer insights, stronger results, and marketing that actually resonates with people. At Famous Digital Media, we help South African and international brands use AI to understand what their customers want next and act on it with confidence. Stay ahead of the curve. Let's plan your 2026 marketing today.